Learn English from Manipuri. English Daily Conversation. Lesson Topic Greeting and Self-Introduction. Hi everyone, I'm Inaudi and welcome to Learn English by Speaking. Today we'll learn in simple English greetings and how to introduce yourself using Manipuri as your guide. Greeting. In Manipuri, we say Kurumzari when we greet someone. In English, we say hello or hi. In English, hello, how are you today? Kurumzari, adom karam tawbiribage. In English, my name is Laisembi. In Manipuri, aigi iming Laisembi kawi. In English, we say what's your name? In Manipuri, we say Adongi ming kani kawage. Then we say nice to meet you. Adonga udaba yam kare. My name is Laisembi. Nice to meet you. You that you know how to greet. Introduce yourself and ask someone's name in English using Manipuri as your guide. Practice these sentences every day and you will speak English confidently. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more English lessons. Bye bye.